Different types of legislations apply in the world, normally in countries that also have a passenger safety law in place. Child seat regulation can generally be split into three big regions, namely Northern America, Australia and Europe. Asia has separate regulations but is closely connected to European legislation. How long you will need to use a car seat for will vary depending on the country, but on average it will be used to the age of 10 years old with different selection criteria like age, weight or length. In Europe there are two types of legislations in place for child restraint systems, namely R44 and R129. R44 is the first and oldest legislation in the EU that was originated in the 1980s. R129, also known as I-Size, is a new legislation that came into force in 2013 and particularly focuses on rear-facing travel up to 15 months and use of ISOFIX. Another big change in I-Size is the categorization of car seats, which changed from weight, kilograms, to length, centimeters. Choosing a car seat based on height ensures better fitment of children, as it has higher awareness with parents. For example, the sizes of clothes are linked to the length of a child, not the weight. Local legislation in Europe, since the origin of R44, implies the use of a car seat up to the age of approximately 10 years, but is different within the countries in Europe. Some regulations limit the use of child car seats with the height of 135 centimeters, while other countries have an extended use up to 150 centimeters. This means most children will need to use a car seat until they go to secondary school.